Hello, everyone, and a warm welcome back to the Simple English Learning Podcast. I'm Anne.
And I'm David. Let's talk about something that can make anyone nervous: visiting the doctor in a foreign country. Your head is pounding, your throat hurts, and you just don't feel right. The biggest challenge isn't just feeling sick, it's trying to explain how you feel in English. What words do you use, and how can you be sure you understand the doctor's advice correctly?
If you've ever worried about that, this episode is for you. We're going to take the fear out of the doctor's visit. Today, you'll join David for his appointment. You'll learn the essential vocabulary to describe common symptoms and the key phrases to understand medical advice.
That's right. This is a practical, real-world conversation to help you feel prepared and confident. So take a deep breath and let's head into the clinic.
The conversation. Characters. David, the patient, feeling unwell and a bit nervous. Anne, a supportive friend accompanying David. Dr. Evans, a kind and professional doctor. Scene. David and Anne are sitting in a doctor's office. David looks pale. Dr. Evans enters with a warm smile.
Good morning, David. I'm Dr. Evans. Please, have a seat. What seems to be the problem today? Good morning, doctor. Thanks for seeing me. I just haven't been feeling well for the past few days. I'm sorry to hear that. Can you describe your symptoms for me? Well, it started with a really sore throat about 3 days ago. It hurts when I swallow. A sore throat, I see. Any other symptoms? Yes, I also have a cough. It's mostly a dry cough, especially at night. A dry cough, not bringing anything up? No, not really. And I've had a headache that comes and goes. It's a dull ache, mostly behind my eyes. Okay. And how are your energy levels? I feel very tired, just really fatigued with no energy to do much. Have you taken your temperature? Do you know if you've had a fever? I don't have a thermometer at home, but I felt very warm last night. I had the chills. All right, let me take a quick look. Could you open your mouth and say, ah? Yes, your throat is quite red and inflamed. Now, I'm just going to listen to your breathing. Please take a deep breath in and out. And out. Okay, your lungs sound clear. That's good. I'll just check your temperature now. You have a slight fever, 38.2 degrees Celsius. Is it serious, doctor? Based on your symptoms, it looks like you have a common viral infection, like a cold or the flu. It's very common this time of year. Oh, okay. That's a relief. The most important thing for a viral infection is to rest and let your body fight it off.
So what should he do to get better?
I recommend a few things. First, get plenty of rest. Don't push yourself to work or exercise. Okay, I can definitely do that. Second, drink lots of fluids. Water, herbal tea, and soup are all excellent choices. Staying hydrated is very important. Drink more water. Got it. For your symptoms, you can take some over-the-counter medicine. I'd suggest ibuprofen or paracetamol for the headache and fever. Do I need a prescription for that? No, you can buy it directly from any pharmacy. Just follow the dosage instructions on the package.
And what about his sore throat and cough?
You can use throat lozenges or a throat spray to help soothe your throat. A simple honey and lemon drink can also work wonders. That sounds nice. Is there anything I should avoid? I'd recommend avoiding cold drinks and try to stay away from spicy or very acidic foods until your throat feels better. That makes sense. One more question. Is it contagious? Yes, it is. You should wash your hands frequently and try to cover your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze. It's best to avoid close contact with others for a few days. I will. Thank you, doctor. I don't think you need any antibiotics since it's viral. However, if you're not feeling any better in 4 or 5 days, or if you develop difficulty breathing, I want you to come back and see me. Okay, I will. Thank you so much for your help. You're very welcome. Just take it easy for the next few days and you should be on the mend soon.
Thank you, doctor. We appreciate your time.
My pleasure. Take care, David.
Scene. David and Anne are walking out of the clinic. How are you feeling now?
Much better, actually. Just knowing what it is makes me feel less anxious.
Dr. Evans was really nice and explained everything so clearly.
She really was. So the plan is rest, fluids, and over-the-counter medicine.
Exactly. And I'll make you a nice honey and lemon tea when we get home.
You're the best, Anne.
We should stop by the pharmacy on the way to pick up some ibuprofen and throat lozenges.
Good idea. I feel much more confident now. It wasn't nearly as scary as I thought it would be.
See? A little bit of vocabulary and a clear explanation make all the difference.